Hello everyone, my name is Madhura Sapre. Today's date is 7 March 2022. Today's topic is Sudha Murthy life journey. Sudha Murthy born in 19 August 1950 is an Indian businesswoman, engineering teacher, author and social worker who is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. She is married to the co-founder of Infosys, N.R. Narayan Murthy. Murthy was awarded the Padam Shri and the fourth highest civilian award in India for social work by the government of India in 2006. Sudha Murthy, being her professional career in computer science and engineering, she is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation and a member of the public health care of the Gate Foundation. She has founded several orphanages, participated in rural development efforts, supported the movement to provide all Karnataka government school with computer library facilities and established the Murthy Classical Library of India and Harvard University. Murthy initiated a bold move to introduce computer and library facilities in all schools of Karnataka and taught computer science. She got the Best Teacher Award in 1995 from Rotary Club at Bangalore. Murthy is best known for her social work and social contribution to in Canada and English dollar Bahu, in English dollar daughter-in-law, a novel originally authored by her in Canada and later translated into English as Dollar Bahu was adapted as a televised dramatic series by ZTV in 2001. Sudha Murthy has also acted in the Marathi film and the Kannada film. She has also appeared in Kaun Banega Crorepati season 11 in its final week episode. Early life of education in Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy was born into the Canada Deshbhakt Madhav Brahmi on 19 August 1950 is Shigon Haveri in Karnataka, India, the daughter of surgeon Dr. R.H. Kulkarni and his wife Vimla Kulkarni. She was raised by her parents and maternal grandparents. This childhood experience from the historical basis for her first work how I taught my grandmother to read wise and otherwise and other stories. Murthy completed a BE Engineering in Electric and Electronics Engineering from the BVB College of Engineering and Technology. So it's all about the Sudha Murthy life journey. Thank you.